Hello, my name is Aruna. I live in Singapore and I have joined the beginner sewing course at the Singer Sewing Studio. I'm really enjoying this online course and it's very interesting, and I would say that both Hemalata and Sakshi ma'am both are extremely patient and they're teaching us very well. They painstakingly answer all our doubts and queries and repeat from the start, no matter how many ever times we ask them. I would highly recommend this course to anybody who would like to learn sewing from scratch and who would like to take their passion forward. Thank you so much.
Hi, this is Aparna from Bangalore. Online fashion designing course classes are going so great. I enjoyed thoroughly, and I hope the same to be with other students too. Especially after the lockdown, these classes are very refreshing. I actually await each class, and every time I receive the online Zoom class link, I feel so excited and attend the classes so eagerly. I think this happens because of the teachers, because the way they teach is so passionate. Every class they teach something new and useful things to us in a very clear, good way. Now, they are so kind, and the best part is they are really patient, because how much ever doubts, whatever or even silly doubts we ask, they clear it in a perfect, clear way, which is very helpful to us. And thanks for Singer for creating such course, and also which is helping us to create this online family, and we are very happy about it. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Chandra Mitra from Calcutta. I joined the basic Singer sewing classes and I'm very happy and satisfied. I'm learning a lot of new techniques, as well as my teachers are very patient, kind, and they take a lot of pain in explaining things again and again. Thank you very much, all of you. Wish you all the best.
जिस तरह से आप ये सिखा रही हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा चल रहा है। सब कुछ बहुत ही अच्छे से समझ में भी आ रहा है। मुझे लग रहा है कि सभी को बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है, खासकर जो आप सबके क्वेश्चन अच्छे से सॉल्व करके बता रही हैं। कोई भी कुछ भी पूछता है तो बहुत अच्छे से समझा रही हैं। ये चीज़ बहुत ही आपका धैर्य बहुत ही अच्छा है। इसके लिए आपको बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद मैम।
मुझे क्लास काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है एंड लग भी रही है और इन्जॉय भी कर रही हूँ। बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है, और सबसे मोस्टली इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आप लोग बहुत अच्छे से हैंडल करते हो इस क्लासेस को। सो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, एंड थैंक यू सो मच।
My name is Sangeeta Agarwal and I'm from Calcutta. I'm very happy and satisfied to do the Singer course, Singer online stitching course. Both the ma'ams are so good and they are so patient in teaching us the whole process and method of making beautiful things. A person like me who has never stitched anything, I feel myself so proud when I am stitching a frock, and it gives me a lot of sense of joy. Thank you Singer, and thank you both the ma'ams for being so patient and being so kind to teach us. Thank you.
I'm Shilpi Agarwal. I'm from Kolkata. I am one of the student of advanced fashion making course which is run by Singer, and I found this course very useful and fruitful, not only for housewives but for each and everyone. It is very useful course. Beside this, there are the teachers, the trainers who have made this even more easier for us. Being cooperative, they handle everything so patiently. So I would definitely recommend everyone who are interested in sewing can go for this.
I am Falguni from Kolkata. Yes, about our advanced fashion making class of Singer. The teachers are very loving, caring and passionate. They listen to us and help us in every aspect. I really enjoy the class, and yes, here we are building an online very close-knit family.
Hello, I'm Shutapa Chatterjee from Kolkata. I am very much satisfied and impressed on your online classes.
हेलो, मैं शारदा गोस्वामी बोल रही हूँ। ऑनलाइन में जो क्लास हो रहे हैं सिंगर कंपनी की ओर से, जो दोनों मैम हम लोगों को सिखाते हैं बहुत अच्छे से, बहुत ही अच्छे से, और हम घर में बैठे, हमें कहीं जाना भी नहीं पड़ता है, घर में बैठे हम इतना कुछ सीख रहे हैं, बहुत अच्छे से हमको समझ में आते हैं, और अगर नहीं आते तो हमको बार बार दिखा भी देते हैं, बता भी देते हैं, समझा भी देते हैं। ये अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी है। दोनों मैम को थैंक्स।
The classes is best ever.
Arupa here, student of advanced sewing classes. But my two teachers are really good. They clear up with all our doubts and they're making the concept so clear. I'm happy that I enrolled into these Singer sewing classes. Completely very satisfied. Thank you.